Hello?
Hey Dad, do you still have the AC in the garage?
Yes, we still have it.
Can we use it? The AC went out in our apartment.
Why don't we just go ahead and bring it to you?
Thank you.
That reenactment was a true story the second day that Jen and I owned our third gen Toyota Tacoma. As most Tacoma owners already know, the plastic composite bed inside is slicker than snail snot. And that's when we knew we needed a better solution. Till this point, your only options are an expensive spray and bed liner, which don't make a lot of sense to me on a plastic composite bed, or one of these heavy as hell, bulky rubber mats that your wife ran over with the lawnmower to mess up to throw in the back of your truck. And when overlanding, every single pound matters. Something that weighs 50 pounds probably isn't optimal. Today we have a different option. The folks at Tread Auto sent us this Michelin Truck Bed Mat for us to review at no cost of our own. And after spending a little bit of time with it, we have our own thoughts and opinions on it. Right out of the box, the mat comes folded. The first step is to unfold it and set it out in the sun for an hour or two to allow it to regain its normal shape. Right away, I noticed a concern with the mat. That's going to be an issue for certain setups, such as ours. We're going to get back to that in a minute. Once it's warmed up, it was incredibly simple to put into the truck. Michelin designed this mat specifically for the Toyota Tacoma using high precision laser scanning. And the fit and finish is impressive. No trimming required for a stock truck. It hugs every corner of the bed, surprisingly with tight clearances. Unlike a traditional rubber mat, the Michelin bed mat is made from heavy-duty TPE, or thermoplastic elastomer, which is significantly lighter and heavy-duty enough to handle all your camping gear and typical household supplies. It also doesn't smell like a used tire shop. Raised outer lip also helps contain dirt, mud, sand, water, and spills, making cleanup easy. But the technical specs only tell you a small part. We're going to do a real-world test right now. What we have right here is our recovery gearbox. See, I got my air compressor, my recovery gear, my snatch strap, toe strap. Basic empty cooler. And this is exactly what happens in a stock Tacoma bed. Even moderate braking, accelerating, and turning can cause your gear to shift all over the place. Now that's a noticeable difference. No, it's not magic. You still want to secure your heavy cargo. But for everyday use, the Michelin bed mat drastically reduces how much your gear slides around. But before you purchase one, there's a couple things you need to know. First, it's not pre-cut out for the factory D-rings. It does include a boss that you can trim out with a razor knife. Only takes about a minute, so you can still access your D-rings. The second, if you have a bed rack like ours that ties into the frame mounting points, the tolerances in the bed mat are so tight, you're going to have to clearance the bed mat to get around it. It only takes a couple minutes with a simple utility knife, and job's done. After using it, I'm generally impressed with the overall finish and fit and the overall functionality. Is it for everybody? Of course not. If you're constantly hauling heavy commercial materials or absolutely need access to your lower D-ring holes and not willing to do a little bit of trimming, then a traditional rubber mat still may be a better choice for you. So if you're a typical Tacoma owner and you're transporting camping gear, hunting supplies, yard supplies, typical household gear, a Michelin bed mat makes perfect sense for you. But don't take my word for it. Check out the Amazon link below, see what the current pricing is, and see what other owners are saying about the product. In fact, Jen and I like it so much, we are looking at it for our 2025 Jeep Gladiator build. And you may be thinking to yourself, hey Kev, you've already got a spray and bed liner. You've already got a tonneau cover. Why do you need a truck bed mat? Well, that's information that's in another build, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you on the trails.